welcome back to our channel Sanjay. So I am back with the new topic, repulsion type moving iron instruments. Whenever two unlike poles are placed near each other, there will be a attraction force. Similar to attraction force, if two similar like poles are placed near each other, there will be a repulsion force also. So based upon this repulsion force, the repulsion type moving iron instruments were developed. Repulsion type moving iron instruments are used for both AC and DC measurements. In these instruments, when current flows through the coil, the two vanes, that is fixed vane and movable vanes, are magnetized and same polarities are induced in it, which results a force, repulsion force between them. Now let us discuss construction of repulsion type moving iron instruments. In general, depending upon the design of construction, there are two types of repulsion type moving iron instruments. One is radial vane type and another one is coaxial. Basically, repulsion type instruments consists fixed coil and two vanes, that is fixed vane and movable vane. The fixed vanes and movable vanes are placed inside the fixed coil. Fixed vane is attached to coil and movable vane is placed on the spindle. So the pointer is attached to spindle, which shows the deflections. Now coming to next topic, what is radial vane type repulsion type instruments? If the vanes are radial, then it is called as a radial vane type repulsion type instruments. Mainly this instrument consists two strips. Strips is nothing but vanes. One is fixed and another one is movable. In this type of instrument, the deflection torque is directly proportional to the actual current flowing through the coil. These instruments are the most sensitive type of instruments. Now we are going to discuss about coaxial vane repulsion type instrument. In coaxial vane type instruments, the vanes are sections of coaxial cylinders. In this type of instruments, two vanes are coaxially placed in fixed coil. One is fixed vane and another one is movable vane. But here the deflecting torque is directly proportional to the square of the current flowing through this coil. Compared to radial type instruments, these are very less sensitive type instrument. Now coming to working principle of repulsion type moving iron instruments. This is the fixed coil and A is the fixed iron and B is the movable iron. The air damping is provided in these repulsion type instruments. Pointer shows the deflections whenever a current passes through it. Initially, the current does not passes through the coil, hence two vanes will touch each other. The pointer does not shows the deflection. That is, the pointer will be at zero position. Whenever a current passes through the coil, the magnetic field is set up in it and two vanes are magnetized with the same polarities. Same poles are generated. North poles are produced at the end and south poles are produced on other end. So due to this a repulsive force exists between two vanes and movable vane tries to move away from the fixed vane. These are repel each other. Hence, movable vane moves because the repulsive force. The pointer which is mounted on the spindle, then which shows the deflections. The pointer stops the deflecting, or the pointer comes to the steady state position. Then the controlling torque is equal to the deflecting torque. In this type of instruments, controlling torque is produced by springs and the damping torque is provided by air friction. Coming to advantages of repulsion type instruments, these instruments can be used for both AC and DC voltages and currents. Most widely used instruments is repulsion type instrument. Scale is uniform for radial type instruments. Torque weight ratio is high. Most suitable for economical production for manufacturing. Coming to disadvantages, these repulsion type instruments consumes more power and errors will occur. Once go through previous lectures and syllabus of measuring instruments. The links are provided in the description. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you. Keep watching. Bye bye.